Did you know that you can water bath can orange juice? It's already been pasteurized. It's 100% pure from concentrate, and you can water bath can this. So I wasn't picky, and I picked up a gallon jug. I'm not really positive how many pint jars I'm going to get. I am using regular mouth pint jars. So all I'm going to do, I have cold orange juice, cold jars, cold canner. I haven't even started it yet. And this is the Presto digital pressure canner, which is an electric canner. My water is cold. I haven't even filled it all the way up yet. So all you're going to do, see if I can get you over here, is where it says pressure can right here, you want to flip this to water bath can, where it says boiling water can, and back here. Press the forward button, turn this on 15 minutes, push the forward button, and it says insert jars. So all I'm going to do is open, and I already shook the jug up. This way, there's no way two of us can go through a gallon of orange juice before it expires. Actually, the date on this is December 20th, so I'm extending, right there, I'm extending the life of this orange juice, which we all need vitamin C, right? So I'm extending the life of this orange juice by water bath canning it. And then all you do is go to about a 1/2 inch headspace. Just right there. I'm going to switch these out. Like I said, I'm not sure how many this is going to fill. I think it's 4 per quart. I'm going to get pretty close on this. I might have to adjust a little bit and add a little more. And I'm limited on space, so doing my best. And this way, when you want orange juice, I can add a little more to that. When you want orange juice, you can just go get a pint of orange juice off your pantry shelf, put it in the refrigerator, and chill it and drink it. Simple as that. To be doing this quite often now that I've learned I can do it. I never knew. And my jars are clean, sterilized. Anyway, so there's no way we could go through this orange juice in time, and instead of just buying a quart, I picked up a gallon. It was actually cheaper. It was on sale. And I will look and see how much it was and leave that on the video. Let's see, that's 4, 5, 6. And 7. And if you have to top it off with a little bit of water, then you can. Like just a smidge, just to get the right headspace. But it looks like I don't need to. I'm actually going to have a little extra. Okay. And that's all that's left. Literally. A little bit in the bottom. Let's see. I think those are all good. Okay, so I'll drink the rest of this. Then, since orange juice is sticky, scooch all over the vinegar. Since orange juice is sticky and you don't want that sticky on the rim of your jar, get a little bit of vinegar, white vinegar. This is 5% if it matters. Just put a little bit in the bowl. I got these little cups and I use these for my spice blends if you've seen those at Dollar Tree. Paper towel. Just put a little bit. You don't want to get vinegar in your orange juice. And go around and clean the rim of your jar. And that's it. So there was a little bit on there, even though I used the, that's too much. I'll put the rest of that vinegar in my water. So that's too much vinegar. And I did put my lids in warm water just to soften up the rubber gasket. You don't have to do that. And I also put them, whoops, I also put them one up and one down so they don't stick together so bad. And this is my last box of regular. I have plenty of wide mouth, well, for now, but I have to pick up more regular lids tomorrow. There we go. Pour the rest of that water. We don't waste water around here. And then you put your ring on. Come on. Finger tight. Put it in the canner. You know how awesome this is to go get a pint of orange juice off the shelf. And always have it on hand. The less you have to worry about refrigeration and freezing, the better. And this is how they did it in the old days. And you want the water, I'll show you in a second. So this is, whoops, this is 1 inch from here to here. So you want the water at least 1 inch to 2 inches above your jar, so I need to add more water. And ignore my countertops, we're about to redo those. Okay. Barely over an inch over the top of the lid. So that's good. Then put the lid on. Oops, wrong way. Had it backwards. Turn it to lock. Put this down. Turn it to lock. Take your regulator off because we're water bath canning, not pressure canning. Then, now it's warming up. And then I'll bring you back for the next stage. Simple as that. Okay, it just finished. And it beeps and tells me it's done. So it went through a whole cool down process. And when you open the lid, you want to be very careful. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. There's all that steam coming up. My tripod's being janky. And here they are. I always let them sit a few minutes and let the temperature try to acclimate because it is pretty cool in here. Like, I don't keep it real warm in the house. It's about 62 in the house. The heater just went off and it set on 62. So I don't want to pull them out too quick and have them bust on me. So, whoops. Here's the first one. You also don't want to tip the jars either. You want to leave them straight up and down. There's all that water sitting on the top. You want to leave that. And I also put my dish drying mat and a towel down. Here's some popping going on. This is so exciting. I'm gonna have to do this every month or more. Especially, ooh, scared me. Especially with winter here, you want to make sure you have orange juice on hand. I'm going to leave my canner set out because I have another canning project to do tomorrow. Beautiful orange juice, vitamin C. And the reason why these don't have to be pressure canned is because they're acidic, because the orange juice is acidic, and because it's already pasteurized. So that's why. It looks like they've all popped except for this one, and I'm sure it will. That has the most water still on the top that hasn't evaporated yet. So for anybody who doesn't know how to do this, it's easy as that. Oh, there it goes. I see it's still trying though. See the circle right there? It'll probably go through that process of the seal up and down for a few minutes. So if you like this video and you like my content, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell to all so you get future notifications, and also hit the thumbs up. There it is. Hit the thumbs up. That greatly helps my channel and my views. And if you could do me another favor and share this out on your social media, I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see y'all on the next one. Be blessed, and y'all have a Merry Christmas.